Hey guys, it's Ting from Lengbox. I'm making this video because I have some big news that I really want to share with you guys. You've been on this journey with me from the start, so I want to take you guys along on this exciting project that I've been working on. So after many months of hard work, I've just received confirmation of some fantastic news. So I'm so ecstatic to share with you guys that Lengbox is going to be listed in 160 retail stores. Honestly, I can't believe it. Like, it doesn't feel real. Now, this is huge. This is a huge thing for me, and I'm still trying to digest this information. I think the thing for me that makes me so emotional is that, like, you put everything into something that you've been working on for such a long time, and then finally it comes true. As quite a lot of you guys will know, I've been a one-woman band working all hours of the day, wearing 10 different hats: buyer, web designer, customer services, sales, logistics, all the way down to packaging. So I really can't explain this any other way than how I feel so incredibly grateful for this opportunity, for you guys, my customers, and in this case, this retailer, to love Lengbox and to see what I see in Lengbox. I'm just so grateful, I'm overwhelmed, and I'm so freaking excited. I started Lengbox because I truly believe in the importance of connecting with yourself, and this significance has become a lot more apparent to me over the last few years. I want to create an empowering community where people can achieve their skin goals and have fun at the same time. And this is why I started Lengbox. I'm reading a lot recently, and one of the books that I'm reading is a book by Shan Jones. She talks about how your business is a way to put your gift into the world. And this just resonates with me so much because Lengbox truly is a way of me putting my gift into the world. You'll notice that I talk a lot about self-care, wellness, and self-love. So I thought to myself, what better way to encourage others to practice this than to actually openly talk about this and do this myself. So I'm proud of myself, I deserve this win, and I'm going to give myself a pat on the back. Well done, Ting. Anyways, enough of my nonsense. I'm obviously going to treat myself this evening, and hey, who knows, I might even treat myself to a 10-step Korean skincare routine. And for you, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, take care of your mind, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.